Hi, this is Vic at fatenvelope.me, and in this video I'll be talking about the purpose of the college essay. Why do admissions officers place so much weight on a college essay? Well, let's first understand that the essay is one of the most important parts of the application, and a good essay is what's going to put a candidate over the edge in the admissions process. To understand this better, put yourself in the shoes of the admissions officer. You're sitting there all day, and you're reading all of these really boring essays, and all of a sudden you find this amazing one, and it just lights up your day. You can't help but feel excited about this candidate. There's a good chance that you're going to fight for this kid. So a lot of it is really psychological. There are three major things that you have to think about in your essay. The first is to paint a picture. The second is to address diversity. And finally, you want to explain the unexplained. I'll talk a little bit about each of these in more depth. So let's start with painting a picture. Paint a picture of yourself and your personal qualities. And what I mean by this is that the essay should answer one question above all else. Who are you? And you need to demonstrate that. Show it. Don't tell it. Also, be careful because some students fall into the trap of describing events without explaining how the events shaped them as a person. It doesn't really matter what happened to you if it didn't impact you in a positive way. So next up, we're going to talk about how to address diversity. Diversity is a hot buzzword in the applications process, and you want to explain how you're different and how these differences will make you a strong addition to the college admissions process. Again, you need to show why they should care about you being different. Everybody is unique, everybody's different, but what about your differences is special? The final thing is to explain the unexplained. It's a good opportunity to maybe plug some holes in your application. For example, if your GPA was low one semester, the essay can spend a bit of time addressing this. But be careful. Your essay should not come across like one big giant excuse. You don't want to mention things that were already covered elsewhere in the application. If you've already mentioned why you had a bad semester somewhere else, don't make that the focus of your essay. But this is an opportunity anyhow and something to consider. So I hope this has helped you understand the basic principles behind the college essay and what you should be thinking about. And in future videos, we'll be elaborating on all of these topics. But in the meantime, if you haven't already done so, you should get the free Keys to Success report at www.fatenvelope.me. All you have to do is sign up with your name, email, and your grade level. You'll get a report that's chock full of information about the college admissions process. And as a bonus, you'll be signed up for our free newsletter, which features valuable tips about how to get into the college of your choice. Now, we're never going to share your email with anyone. We're never going to spam you, and you can unsubscribe at any time. We really believe that all of these resources will be very helpful for you. So, thanks so much for watching, and in the next video, we'll be talking about how to brainstorm essay topics. What should you be writing about? So, we'll talk about some of the tips on how to do that. Tune in for that, and until then, best of luck in your college admissions process.